Hey, I've got a really good meal prep, well, breakfast meal prep for you guys. It's gonna take 4 ingredients. We're gonna use 12 whole eggs, 2 cups of cottage cheese, some turkey bacon, and some fat-free cheddar cheese. You're gonna set your oven at 375, preheated. You're gonna need a tray. This has a 24. If you have anything smaller, that's fine too. We'll spray the, go ahead and crack the 12 eggs. Okay, once we got the 12 eggs in, we're gonna add in the cottage cheese. Just gonna pour a little bit into each. I'm gonna chop up some turkey bacon. All right, got all the turkey bacon chopped up. I'm gonna just take a few pieces and put them in each little cup. Since you touch that meat, make sure you wash your hands. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some Kraft fat-free cheese onto each cup. All right, let's put it in the oven. We're gonna bake that for 20 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees. Check it after 20 minutes. It may need a little bit longer depending on your oven. There you have it. We've got 17 egg whites. You could have 2 of these a day. You could toast it onto an English muffin if you wanted to. This is only 150 calories. These aren't that much either. They will go down and they'll continue cooking as they cool off. So this was 20 minutes. You can see there's a nice golden brown to the top of these. An alternative, what you could do is 6 eggs and a cup of egg whites. A cup of egg whites would equal 6 eggs as well if you wanted to cut back down on the fat. You would do the same procedure then, 2 cups of cottage cheese, blended up, poured in the tray. And there you go, that's your breakfast meal prep. Hope you guys have a great day.